Pigeon, move! Pigeon! Fucking hell, pigeon! Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video, which is, of course, a POV in my car, in the tuk-tuk. Basically, I've just pulled over really quickly to intro the video. Okay, alright, so I'm going to quickly show you guys, obviously, the car right here. So here is my car. It's a Vauxhall Corsa limited edition. You can see it by that, look at that. Boom, means I'm special and I have got special needs basically. Black wheels, nice. Let's get in. Whoa. We're just gonna have a nice little drive about basically. And we're gonna look like an absolute tit with my GoPro on my head. Ready? Oh shit. What are you coming fast for? Fucking hell, he's rapid. I've just got to go. Woo! Basically, today was not my day, you know. I've literally been out in my car for like, honestly, no joke, like an hour. I just haven't been able to start the video. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like, this is the side of YouTube you never see, like honestly. I just haven't felt like recording right now, like, I've got no motivation to, oh my God. You know those days where you just feel a bit self-conscious, you know what I mean? Like, I just feel a bit self-conscious that people are like looking at me. You know, I've got a camera stuck to my head, you know what I mean? And like, it's not the prettiest view ever if I have to be honest myself. We're actually filming on the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Boom. Bus has blocked us off, so yeah. We are actually filming on the new GoPro Hero 8 Black, which I bought a couple weeks ago. And honestly, the quality is peng. It shoots 4K 30 frames per second in super view, which is what we're seeing right now. And it shoots 4K 60 in like wide, which is like normal. But yeah, genuinely, first POV with this new GoPro. So tell me what you guys think. We're just gonna whiz around this town and we are gonna just film it. You know what I mean? So downshift. We're gonna literally take all the routes that I haven't taken and just have a mooch about, you know what I mean? Don't look at me, don't look at me. Okay, good. Don't be red, nice. I always watch like bad dashcam videos of bad drivers, you know what I mean? Luckily I haven't been on it just yet, but like out of nowhere, this place, literally this road was on it, you know what I mean? It's crazy when you see like your own place, you know what I mean? Let's go left, whiz down here. This is Wetherspoons. This is like the shop I really like, the pub I like. Wait, this one. I'm not stopping for no red fucking lights. I hate red lights. Skirt. Okay, we are stopping for this one though. Lollipop, 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 lollipop. This is where the kids start singing. Boom, 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 boom. It's actually half term right now, so that is why everything is just jam-packed, busy as fuck. Like, come on kids, go back to school, man. If you're in school, I'm sorry, but honestly, it just gets too busy. Like, the roads are busy, the shops are busy. So I've actually got quite exciting stuff happening very soon on this channel, you know what I mean? I said it again. You guys aren't probably, I'm not going to tell you guys until it happens because I don't know if it's going to happen yet. All I know is stay tuned for upcoming videos. Like, this is a video that I'd never be able to film before, and it's not a boring video. Well, to some people it might be a boring video, but quite literally, I'm getting something new. not permanently, but let's quickly go on this here. You guys can try and speculate what I mean from that, but other than that, good luck. Look at this lorry behind me, right up my bloody arse. Should I just slam on my brakes and then have him like go into me and kill me, and then my girlfriend and all my family will get like compensation for this dickhead? I've had lorries behind me like flashing me to go faster, and like I just kind of chill. So many people, right, love watching these POVs. I love making them, you know what I mean? It's definitely just like, it's quite nice just to be able to put your foot down in your car, because I don't do it often. Just put your foot down in your car and just enjoy it a little bit, because I never really put my foot down in my car. Another Corsa gang, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I never enjoy my car. I like drive it, but I drive it very sensibly, you know what I mean? So today I'm quite excited to see what my black box score is going to be, because it probably, wait, it'll probably be not very good. Anyway, tell me, why are you watching these POVs? Are you learning to drive? You know what I mean? Wait. Are you learning to drive? Have you passed? Are you just watching them because they're fun, I guess? Like, I honestly just watch other people's POVs, just in nicer cars, you know what I mean? Like BMWs. There's only a certain few people I like. I like watching people in the UK do it, because obviously watching somebody in Spain drive a car's like, I don't know, it's just different, you know what I mean? It's just different. Oh, look at that Tesla. Ooh, look at that. That's nice, that is. Look at that. Some people, you know, don't like Teslas, but I think they look really good. I'm going 40 right now. I'm just waiting for the hill. Fuel economy, baby. What are you saying? Excuse me, where's my medal for saving the planet by using hills to pick up speed instead of putting my foot down? What are you saying? I'm actually almost on 30,000 subscribers. By the time I upload this video, I might actually be on 30,000 subscribers. That's actually mad. Like, I actually appreciate like everybody who subscribes. Like, I genuinely know how much a subscribe means, because I don't subscribe to a lot of people myself. I only subscribe to people that I will genuinely watch their videos, like David Dobrik, KSI. Like, only people that I will genuinely watch. Like, Mini Minter's a good YouTuber, but I haven't subscribed to him just because I won't watch him, and I don't want somebody's videos that I won't watch on my screen. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, I honestly know how much a subscribe means. So even if you just like the video, thank you, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you. I'm just an ordinary guy, you know what I mean? I think everybody can see that. I can be serious, I can be jokey. I'm most of the time jokey, but I can be serious. But yeah, 30,000 subscribers, 30,000 people, that deserves a honk. Right, I think we're gonna take this road off, this one off. We're heading home now, but yes. Skirt. Nice. It's a very country road, so I don't like country roads, because you have to like give way to people if they come round. Like, it's not big enough for two people. So yeah. Come on ladies, £1 fish. Oh, pigeon, move! Pigeon! Fucking hell, pigeon! I almost killed you, bruv. Literally, bit of town. You got a bit of town in today's video, and then you got a bit of country. And I don't like putting my car through the country, because I mean, look at this bullshit. Oh, jeez. Where am I going? Because I think this road right here is where I need to take, and I can't really see. Wait, I have to speed down here. I did wheel spit in there as well. So yeah, I would genuinely like to say thank you to everybody who subscribed, liked the video and stuff, because it does mean a lot, you know what I mean? YouTube is basically my like full-time job at the moment. Like I have a part-time job. If people didn't know, I have a part-time job which I do weekends, and that pays decent for the amount of hours I'm doing, you know what I mean? I'm working 2 days a week, and you know what I mean, it's not terrible pay. I get about £500 a month, you know what I mean? So it pays for my car and stuff, but for the most part, for my time, YouTube is my full-time job. So we're actually almost home now. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. I don't know how long it is. I put a lot more like raw meat in, should I say. I put a lot more raw video in because I know a lot of people like to see me driving, like doing roundabouts, doing junctions. So I know people like to see that. So I put a lot more in today because I know people like to see that, like especially learner drivers, they want to see like me doing junctions, roundabouts. And I personally think it's quite cool to see that, you know what I mean? Even like though I drive, it's quite cool. So I'm gonna cut it off here and then I'm gonna see you guys at home basically. So we are now home, and here we are home. I just want to say hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. I really mean that. I know I do so many POVs, but people enjoy it, you know what I mean? Anyway guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, then please hit the subscribe button because it helps me out a lot, and we are almost on 30,000 subscribers. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and dislike it if you didn't, and tell me why. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff for pictures like this, and this. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video.